Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the update on KDA. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of KDA was likely to form an inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we had the left shoulder and the head. And now you can see that the price end, while forming the right shoulder, is dropped more down and form another lower than the previous low of head. Therefore, now this move is invalidated. By the way, recently after this drop, the price end has tested this very long-term support zone that starts from approximately 40 cents and goes to 36.1 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously this support line has been working as support line here, and support line here. Therefore, this is a very, very strong support line, and also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, the significance of this support zone is very high. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this falling wedge pattern and a breakout from this big falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ATA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 2nd of January 2025 in my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of KD. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was struggling to break out this very strong resistance zone that was starting from $1.18 and goes to $1.10. Previously, it was working as support line here, and after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance zone. We got stable ejections, and now the price it is dropped more down. And now recently we have, by the way, tested this long-term support line. That's out from approximately 40 cents and goes to 36.1 cents. That is a very long-term support line. Previously, it had been working as support line here and support line here. Let me just show you on the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that previously, even here in the month of October 2023, it had been working as a support zone. And here in the month of August 2023, it had been working as a support zone. And now we are again, after testing the support zone, gearing up. In fact, it can be a very long-term demand zone for the price line of KDA, a very high demand zone. You can see that whenever the pricing is visiting this demand zone, we are watching very, very nice rallies. This time the pricing is again geared up. In fact, the pricing also did not break down this support of 50 cents as well. That was recently working as support here, and now again it is working as a nice support. Despite this long spike, pricing in fact did not break down this support as well. And now there is a probability that soon we may see that the price may try to break out this next resistance of 70 cents. And you can see that for the past several days or weeks, it has been working as a resistance here, and this time it can again work as a very strong resistance for the price line of KDA. Now here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, we also broke out this quite strong downtrend and resistance as well, and we have already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. That target was, by the way, here at the top of the wedge at $1.80, and you can see that the price had rallied beyond that target but could not break out this long-term resistance line of $2. And this resistance of $2 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and recently again broke as a very strong resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $2 has been previously also breaking as a very strong resistance here for a few weeks and almost here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of KDA. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that after the breakout from this wedge, it is again and again getting rejected by this $2 resistance. Therefore, this is the key resistance. In order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break it out. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $25 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.